Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315 IRH8. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315 IRH8i5, ideal for on-the-go work, school or entertainment. Engineered with military-grade quality, the IdeaPad Slim 3 laptop is ideal for on-the-go work, school, or entertainment. Powered by up to Intel Core i5-13420H processor, this 15.6 inches device boasts speedy responsiveness for all your apps, so you can multitask to your heart's content. Processor Intel Core i5-13420H. Storage 512GB SSD NVMe. Memory 16GB LPDDR5 4800. Graphics integrated Intel UHD Graphics. Smart features work for you. Based on use, the IdeaPad Slim 3 laptop automatically adjusts to optimize performance, extend battery life, and lower thermals to run more efficiently with smart power. With its narrow bezels and stunning display, the IdeaPad Slim 3 is sure to turn heads even while yours stays focused on the 15-inch high-def wide-angle view. Standard ports: USB 3.2 Gen 1. USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, support data transfer, power delivery and DisplayPort 1.2. HDMI 1.4. Headphone, microphone combo jack, 3.5mm. Card reader, power connector. WLAN plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6, 11AX 2x2 plus BT 5.2. Camera FHD 1080p with privacy shutter. Keyboard backlit, English, EU. Buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad. Touch-style fingerprint reader integrated in power button. Speakers user-facing stereo speakers, 1.5 WX2, optimized with Dolby Audio.